Hi, this is Denson Abram, register number UR16CS004. We are going to do a C++ program on selection sort. So on selection sort, first the logic of selection sort is we assume that the first element of the array itself is the smallest element, that is the minimum, and then we compare it with each element, and then if we find another element that is smaller than the assumed minimum, then we swap them, and then since that is the most minimum, then that will be kept at that position, and then the rest of the array will be sorted. This sort is most optimized if the array that is entered is somehow sorted. First we enter as from the user the size of the array, then we enter the elements of the array, then this is the sorting process. Here I is equal to 1 from I less than equal to as, that as is the size, as minus 1, then min equals to I, that is we consider that the first element itself is the is the smallest element, we assume it. Then another nested loop with j equal to I plus 1, because we compare the next element. Then if ARR of j is less than ARR of minimum, that is if the element that is being scanned is less than the assumed minimum, then minimum equals to j, that is we make that element the new minimum, and then this swap function, swap ARR of j comma ARR of min, that is we swap the new minimum with the older minimum, so both of them will be swapped, and then since that element is small, it would be the most minimum one, so at the first place it would be the smallest element, and so on the process will be repeated, and the whole array will be sorted using the same method. Then since the array is sorted now, then we do the output with for int I equals to 0, I less than as, I plus plus, and then we do the output. Let's run this. Size of the array we get 6, 11, 12, 20, 19, 45, 1. See, the array is now sorted 1, 11, 12, 19, 20, 45. Here the 11 is considered as minimum, then we compare 12, 20, 19, 45, then we see 1. So 1 is smaller, so what we do is we swap both of them, then we go on to the next element. So that's how this process is. So